Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the HemeDao token. Now this token just got listed today on a central exchange, a very big central exchange, brand new listing for this token. Ticker symbol is HEME. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a max total supply of 10 billion HEME tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. So this token just got listed today, this morning. It's live right now on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search HEME, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can check out their Telegram at HemeCoin. They have 1,452 members on the Telegram so far. Their webpage is at heme.pro. There's a contact email at the bottom of the page, hemeclub@gmail.com if you need to contact them. You can also subscribe to a newsletter. They have an Android application that you could download at the bottom of the page. Full white paper. They have an Instagram. They have a LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, YouTube channel. All sorts of links there. So it says, in the ever-evolving landscape of technology and community-driven initiatives, HemeDao stands as a groundbreaking endeavor that fuses the power of blockchain with the spirit of community collaboration. HEME stands for Gaming and Sports Enthusiasts United, and it has taken a bold step forward by integrating blockchain technology into its framework, ushering a new era of transparency, fairness, and empowerment. So HemeDao is a decentralized autonomous organization designed to put decision-making power directly into the hands of the community members. By harnessing the capabilities of blockchain, HemeDao ensures that the community's voice is not only heard but also has a tangible impact on the direction and evolution of the ecosystem. So the blockchain advantage is transparency and trust, and that is at the cornerstone of HemeDao. Every decision, proposal, and transaction is recorded immutably on the blockchain, creating an open and verifiable record that all members can access. This eliminates any room for manipulation or hidden agendas, fostering a culture of honesty and transparency, governance through consensus. So HemeDao employs a consensus-based governance model that allows all members to participate in reshaping the community's future. Decisions regarding events, tournaments, collaborations, and developments are proposed, discussed, and voted upon by the community. This ensures that the majority of the opinions guide the course of action, fostering a sense of ownership and unity. So as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up, their X, in the corner of the screen over there, so you guys can easily find that. At HemeCoin13 says, blockchain technology with the immersive world of gaming. Heme token promises to bring forth an entirely new level of interaction and rewards for gamers and token. So 78 tweets so far. They have 5,914 followers. Their newest tweet there is all about their MEXC global listing, so check that out. So blockchain technology beyond governance offers secure and efficient transaction capabilities, rewarding tournament winners, facilitating cross-border collaborations, and distributing tokens. HemeDao leverages a blockchain smart contract functionality to streamline and automate processes. They have global reach and local impact, so HemeDao's blockchain-powered infrastructure transcends geographical boundaries, allowing enthusiasts from all corners of the world to come together and engage. By breaking down barriers, HemeDao fosters cultural exchange and collaboration, enriching the experience of gamers, sports enthusiasts, and community members. Join the decentralized revolution. So HemeDao is not just a community, it's a movement that embraces the principles of decentralization, transparency, and community empowerment. By merging the worlds of gaming, sports, and blockchain, HemeDao paves the way for a future where decisions are made collectively, trust is intrinsic, and individuals are at the heart of progress. Become part of HemeDao today and embark on a journey to reshape the community you've always envisioned. Your voice matters, and with blockchain, it's louder than ever before. So they only have a small amount of holders so far. According to their BSC scan, they have less than 200 holders so far. So this is a very, very brand new project. Trading just opened 9 o'clock UTC time today, October 5th, on MEXC Global. So again, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And speaking of which, I'm going to post 2 other videos today talking about 2 other brand new MEXC global tokens that just got listed today, or that are just being listed within the next 24 hours. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.